This is our front door. The snow is taller than me. And taller than my wife. Look at that. Our front door. Check it out, Southeast. This is a real snowstorm. Our front door. Halfway up the door almost. We can't even get out of our house. We are stuck.
Oh my God.
Trying to shut the door right now. Wow. Did you get the door to shut?
Yep. I think. Let's see. Oh, there we go.
Alright.
Yay, it's locked.
That's a super Eskimo right there.
Hi, Care.
Hi.
What do you have? What's his name?
Where?
Oh, cool. Oh, I was hoping that. We are ready for Christmas. Having a storm right now. The girls and I and Lauren decorated yesterday. And Karis has a new puppy named Lyric. Where is he? Oh, I think he needs to pee. Go put him on the paper. Oh, okay, it's 5 o'clock.
They didn't quarry the rock and then decide.
People are riding around on their snow machines.
Which I use for sometimes shaping.
There are moments when the snow gusts and you can barely see the house across the street.
In excess of 3,000 degrees.
It's a blustery day.
That's a lot.